Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a little review of this today. It's the Mr. Buddy Heater Portable. It's a little bit of an updated design from the some of the other ones that they had in previous years. I bought this a little while ago on sale for, I think it was 85 bucks, something like that. And I've used it in my ice fishing hut quite a bit this winter even. And I'm just going to talk a little bit about the good and the bad with it. So to start off, one thing that I love is it's super compact, it's easy to carry around, it looks really cool, and it works awesome. So one issue that I've had with it, and I've seen other people have, is there's a small thing in here called a thermocoupler, and then you have where your gas comes out, so that's actually your pilot light. If that thermocoupler doesn't stay hot, your gas won't come out of the ceramic plate. One thing that happens is the tube that provides the gas sometimes gets clogged with small things, and even the smallest little thing like a spider web in there could even prevent it from working entirely, and I've ran into that a few times. A little bit of dust off or compressed air down there usually will get that sorted. Other than that, I haven't had any issues with this. So basically you just go from off, turn it to pilot, get it going. You got to hold it so your thermocoupler will warm up. Once it's warmed up, you can release that. You can push down again, switch to low, and then we can see the ceramic has lit up. And then if you want it even hotter, you can go to high, and it produces a ton of heat. To turn it off, just simply go back to off, and that's it basically. And ow, ouch, fuck. This also has a low oxygen sensor, so it will shut off, but that's not to be, it will shut off in a low oxygen environment, but that's not to say that that's by any means a way to keep you safe from carbon monoxide or low oxygen environments on its own. So don't rely on that itself. It's just a basic safety feature. So another nice feature of this is it has an auto shut off if you bump it or tip it over in the event of something were to happen. So even if I smack it like that, it's totally off and it shuts off right away. No gas comes out. Unless the thermocoupler feels heat on it directly, it won't allow gas to pour out. So that's another safety feature. So this is basically all that it comes with. You can mount it onto a wall or whatever with these little clips here. This comes in and out, so it's easy to screw it on. And it produces a ton of heat for a small area, and it's definitely a great bang for its buck. And I would 100% recommend getting one. So thanks for watching today, guys. Have a good day. Remember to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Bye-bye.